Oh my goodness, I'm so happy that we're doing this design for Lunar New Year. This year is the year of a tiger. It's my dad years. So it's repeat every 12 years. I think I'm a year of a dog. I knows what about you. So it go by is lunar calendars. Next year is the year of the cat, right?
Mm-hmm. So you have either a cat or a rabbit, depending on which one you go with.
Yeah. So I'm going to do it a little bit thicker because I'm going to sprinkle. Okay. All right, flash here, quick. And with this design, so it's going to be a little bit of different. We're going to do a two-part, one part with the sugaring underneath on the French, and then the other part we'll do a crystal placement. So this one is so cute and simple and easy. It's already done. You can do it you can do pink on the background. Like, who cares? Like, tigers had the pink background. Right? I think it's going to look cute, though. Black and pink. And then you can just put this one. Or we can do it tiger and Valentine. You can do the background is pink. And then with tigers or zebra of the patterns for the foils on the top, and then you put the heart, like tiny perfect heart, and you do your pixie. It's gonna be cool. That's a good idea though. I don't know how like you like it, but I think it's gonna be cool. All right, so waiting for the second one done. Can I get this one? This one. And then I'm going to do, if you like it like this, you can leave it absolutely alone. And I'm going to add the crystal on this one. I'm doing sugaring first with some crystal. And then I'm going to do some crystal on the first part. Or either one. If you just want to do just a crystal on the French, you can. So I'm going to start with the condensed glue gels. At first, I didn't want to do the, like the tigers. But I said, oh my God, it looks so cute with the French look. You can do it with or without. So close. All right. Here we go. Top coat floating around on the top. Thanks so much everyone for tuning in and welcome to Glitz live tutorial. I really appreciate everyone stopping by, tuning in every day. I keep talking because I'm looking at the nails. I didn't get a chance to look at the screen yet, not yet. So keep looking on this one. And now you can do with or without the crystals. Should we add some crystal one? This one is going to be a sugaring. I want that kit. So I'm going to add the same, like a pumpkin spice crystal one. It's really cool that we're doing a Valentine and then we'll do pumpkin spice. Right there. I'm going to get this one. And add it on however you want. Okay. Awesome. Put this one out. Move on the side. And I'm going to get another tray. Another empty tray. And get my sugaring ready so that I can sprinkle this. The first one I did it Diamond Dust Pixie. The second one we do sugaring. So then the clients or you have the chance to decide which one you want. Okay, ready? Tap really like gentle. I think I get an idea for my next now. Instead of do a zebra, I mean tiger like this, but I'll do tiger on the pink. That's be cool, huh? All right. So you sprinkle it. Make sure you cover everything. Tap gently. Don't dust anything off. Just leave it like this, and then cure for 60 seconds. And then we are going to design on the top. The reason I'm doing the French on the French part first, because when you don't have any of the crystals, anything on it yet. So then when you sprinkle it on, any of the excess sugaring will not get in between your crystal. Like you don't want to get stuck in between the crystals and all that, the edges, the gaps. So I do it first, and then we can, because we can do the other part, which is on the top part. And then this second top, we are going to use a matte top coat with the condensed glue gels. And I'm going to using some of this beautiful chains, like a gold for New Year's. Let's see how many I can fit on that one part. Maybe fit only one, so I'm gonna either that, and this one, it looks so cute though. This one is so cute and trendy. It's like a, looks like a, it's a chain. You can connect them together like that. Let's see if it's gonna fit this two or this two. I know where's I'm at. And then so now just getting, if you have the brush, you can just like unicorn brush, you brush it off. So I left my file out there. Change this.
Yep, a very quick reminder. Today is the last day of the Lunar New Year's sale. So if you want to take advantage, you can say up to 80% off.
Yes, today is the last day. Celebration. We celebrate whole month though. Then. Is that clear? I was like, oh, he's really pressed the button. The boy. It's funny. Okay, he's dead. I'm just checking. Because if you're not curing, guess what happened? I'm gonna blow everything away. Okay, great. So now we're going to do some crystal. All right, so now I'm gonna do is moving on the next condensed glue gels. And then just apply this right here. And then I'm gonna floating the no wipe top coat. I mean, no wipe top coat in a matte finish. And we'll just draw it right just along with the smile line right there. Okay. So I'm debating because I really want to get the money size on them. Money size or this one.
The circle is fun, but you need something in it.
Yeah, it's okay. I can do something in it. Either one. Which one? Money?
Money
For
is
New
the
Year?
easy one.
Huh?
You pop the money on, it's good. If you want to do more stuff, put the frame on, circle frame on.
Oh my gosh.
I think you want to stay.
Hold on. Let me see. I can do 2 of them. Maybe too long. That's how you make things work.
Or you can put like the money right on top of the circle. You can fit.
Huh?
The money right on top of the circle.
No, I like it. Okay, can I get some my crystal? Nothing impossible, just do it. Just in case your clients are, oh, Nancy, I don't want it. Then you take it off. But you put it on, and it's just like I meant it to not put the circle on. And it just jumped right on the nail, so hey, why not? Put that inside. I'm gonna dress it out. So now, if you don't, as I say, I always edit more crystal, more designs, more nail art in to not only it's just to show you the option that you can do, but however, you can do however you would like. You feel like it's too busy, too much for you, do not do it. Just stop at where is the French when I draw the orange look. And then you can stop at any point. You can stop it at the foil. You can stop at the line that I want to do. You can stop. You don't need to get sugaring on it. You don't need to get crystal on it. You stop at wherever part you make you happy, okay? You don't have to feel like, oh my God, do I have to do? You absolutely do not have to do anything if you don't want it. Just as an option that you know that what a possibility you can definitely create it. So then you'll never like, oh my gosh, my clients will never say never, because you say, oh, never. My clients, I heard so many from the other student or the Glitz lover that we got to travel and meet you in person. My clients will never weighing it because your clients never weighing it. That's why you have to do it, because then they didn't see that. They didn't believe that you could do such a really gorgeous design that you are going to do. So show them what you got. And then they were like, oh my God, I want it. So just do it and then give it a try. And then if you don't want it, the clients don't like it, give them a lot of variety and a lot of option. So don't want it, you know that, okay, she's not her style, but then a lot of clients will dying and waiting for you to do it for them. So I said, if you see my videos, is you feel like is some of them are too much, some of them are not enough. There's a lot of dramatics nails there. You can able to enjoying it. If you feel it's good, then you stick with this. If you don't feel like it's a lot of too much, then take it off. I mean, don't do it. Just don't take it out. Don't put it on and take it off. You're wasting your product. But then I was like, always consult with the clients. So you want, what is your price range? What is your budget? You already budget $10, $15, $20, $25. What is your, what do you like to get it for your nails? So they're like, oh, I want something cute. I have like $20, but I want 2 nails. I said, sure. Okay, we can do $10 and mix nail, you know? Or like, I want $20, but I want only 1 nail. So you do what is make you feel happy.